So, as the legend rightly says, once you go black, you never go back. Welcome to Gopalji Car Decor channel, guys. Today we have the Kia Sonet, the black edition, as done by us. I don't have much to say about this car and about what we have done, but again, a lot to stay still. हम लोगों ने ये गाड़ी में आप जैसा देख सकते हैं बहुत कुछ काम किया है. So starting from what you can see, first notice is this beautiful hood scoop on the top of the bonnet. We've attached some beautiful splitters in the front. You see the DRL shining as bright along with the Ozoom LEDs in the headlight. हम लोगों ने दूसरी चीज़ जो इसमें की है वो है complete dechroming. If you see that, you'll find no chrome element on the car apart from that one small diesel notch on the top that Kia gave it to us much later so that इस गाड़ी में हम लोग पेट्रोल ना भर दे गलती से. आपके सामने इसका प्रोफाइल है and it is looking so beautiful. I don't think the video does justice. When you look at this car first person, it's oh my god, this is a black beauty. People are looking through and through कि भाई ये कौन सी गाड़ी जा रही है, किया ने ये गाड़ी कब निकाली. तो इसमें शुरुआत से मैं बताता हूँ कि आपको हुड स्कूप और स्प्लिटर का तो बताया, डीक्रोमिंग का बताया. हम लोगों ने इसमें ये जो शाइन आप देख रहे हैं गाड़ी का, ये हम लोगों ने अचीव किया है विद द गरवारे PPF. वी हैव अप्लाइड अ गरवारे प्रोटेक्ट, द लेटेस्ट PPF बाय गरवारे which comes with a 3-year warranty. We've also attached some really nice RTO compliant sun control films. These are the glazing films by Garware. ग्लेजिंग फिल्म्स आपका रिविजन 2 मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के हिसाब से कंप्लायंट होता है. इसमें 5 इयर्स का वारंटी आता है आपका फिल्म का. इन द फ्रंट, इन द साइड, इन द बैक हम लोगों ने पूरा इसमें फिल्मिंग किया है. कम विथ मी, व्हाट आई विल शो यू इज द कार फ्रॉम द बिहाइंड एज वेल. आइए. सो बिफोर वी गो देयर, we've turned the calipers into a nice red to match with the splitters. We've also painted the splitters. The splitters were originally only black. The splitters are there on the side and the front. If you come behind, see the look from the back. The DRLs, the connecting DRLs look so well placed because of the entire dechroming in the rear bumper as well. हम लोगों ने chrome छोड़ा ही नहीं है. Apart from the logos we kept them natural because these ones look really nice. So I mean it was a combined decision between me and the client that we should keep the logos as is, and we'll do a nice turnaround. Oh, I missed the spoiler, this beautiful spoiler at the back. Look at this. This adds to the the macho look on the car. Again, we have painted the roof rails of the car which come originally as silver. इसको भी हम लोगों ने सिल्वर से हटा के पियानो ब्लैक फिनिश दे दिया है. अगर हम लोग आगे आते हैं और अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ हम लोगों ने अंदर में इस गाड़ी में क्या किया है. सो व्हाट यू कैन हियर ओवर हियर इज द रेगुलर metal noise. Now, if I was to knock with the same amount of effort on the door, this is basically happening because we have done some great dampening solutions to the door. There's a general issue with Kia and Hyundai that there is a lot of rattling and there's a lot of outside noise that travels inside the cabin. We can achieve insulation of the same by attaching some really nice dampenings. So, and also now inside we've not done a lot because we wanted to keep it a little clean for some time. We've done a floor lamination. This is a one-piece floor lamination so that at least the dust and the residue that you can see already in the car can be easily cleaned. Let's go in the front again. आपने देखी गाड़ी, आपको कैसी लगी ये आपको हमें बताना है कमेंट्स में. भाई आई एम तो इन लव विद दिस कार. आई थिंक द पीपल अराउंड मी दे वर आस्किंग मी कि भाई ये कौन सी गाड़ी है, क्या कौन सी है, किया ने कब लॉन्च की. तो पीपल अराउंड मी आर इन लव विद इट, बट ऑफ कोर्स योर ओपिनियन मैटर्स. And please tell us in the comments how you like this. In case you have any of these SUVs that you want to work out with, any car, we do all cars, any car आपको कुछ भी करना है, you know where to call. My number is always below in the description. You can also call us. We are out of Pune, Maharashtra. Let's go. So you know where to call. Watch the video, guys. Some shots that will follow are some cinematic shots of the car and Call, like. Thank you. Bye.